Jing essence and how to restore it are extremely important in health and longevity. And it is an essential technique to grasp and practice if you want to have an extremely long life, a youthful, vigorant, vibrant, young life. The Jing essence is the primordial chemical DNA cellular essence that is in each of your organs. Specifically, the kidney Jing is extremely important because when that runs out, you die. If you drink alcohol, if you have sex, it drains your Jing. But every organ has a Jing. The lungs have a Jing. The liver has a Jing. And if the organ is healthy, the Jing will be strong. So I do not see any other masters out here teaching people how to restore their Jing essence. So that's why I'm teaching you. How do I know this? I've studied it in the text and I've practiced it for years and I've seen results, so I know how to do it and I know that it works. You can do this with any of the organs. We're going to target the kidneys. Now, wherever the mind goes, the blood flows. So what you do is first you focus on your kidneys. The kidneys are easy to find because they're at the back of the body, towards the back, right below the rib cage. And if you hit them, they hurt. They're very sensitive. So you focus your mind on your kidneys, and then you begin to breathe into the kidneys. Now, moving energy through your body, the body should be relaxed, and wherever you focus and breathe, the blood and the energy will go there. It's very simple, and the more you practice, the better that you get. It's very simple. So focus on the kidneys, and then you breathe. Now, what I do in my personal practice is I drink the herbs that restore kidney, Jing, and Yin. And after I drink the tea, I sit there and I restore that organ. And what I've seen is my aging reversed dramatically from 1 year to 5 years. It's unbelievable how strong the meditation is. And now as you're restoring the Jing, so you can do the same thing with the lungs. You can take lungwort, and with the lungwort take ashwagandha, or take osha root, and with osha root take ashwagandha, and then focus on the lungs. The bottom line is if you take a tonifying herb that specifically tonifies an organ, and the Ayurvedic Encyclopedia and the Chinese Materia Medica, they label out every herb, what organ it works on, okay? In the Chinese Materia Medica, it says this restores kidney yin, this restores lung yin. So the texts are out there. You read the text. You don't even need the text. You can go online. You can Google it. Actions of this herb in Chinese medicine, Romanya, ginseng, shitipihu, these herbs. And then when you find out what organ that it does, you drink the tea, you sit in your meditation, and you breathe into that organ, and you can feel the chemical constituents, you can feel the organ repairing itself. In fact, you can feel the life essence of each organ when it's strong or when it's weak. So just to go over it again, what you do is you focus on the organ and you breathe. And if you want to get better at it, you can take the specific herb that heals that organ and focus on that organ and breathe. Then you can restore the Jing essence. Then when you restore the Jing essence, specifically I'm going to talk about the kidneys, the body will have the primordial essence to push through to heal. Your hip isn't going to heal. Your back is not going to heal if your kidney Jing is weak. So if you're ejaculating all the time, if you're putting crappy food in your body, food that's impure, food that doesn't restore your Jing, food that doesn't restore your ohas, that doesn't restore your life essence, food that your body has to take more energy to excrete than it does to, turn into flesh, your Jing gets very weak and you get old. You get back pains, you get knee pains, and then you're in the process of dying, okay? If you restore your Jing, then the essence, the primordial essence restores, then the body will naturally start to heal. So there are many, many techniques after that to heal yourself. But for this one, I just want us to understand what Jing is and how to restore your Jing essence. If you have any questions or comments, please post below. Be sure to like and share. Long life and good health.